What's up guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. And for today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Fall Guys missing files on Epic Games. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So let's start by opening the Epic Games launcher and then make sure to log into your account. After that, go over to the library tab on your left hand side of the screen so you can look for Fall Guys, and once you locate it, you're gonna have to click onto the three dots underneath and then click onto manage that appears in the menu. As you can see, a pop-up window will appear like this. You want to click onto the Verify tab right here so you can try and verify the game's files. After that, make sure that the button or the switch next to Auto Update is turned on. And what comes next, you can go to the folder icon next to Installation and give it a click. It will take you to the game's files location, as you can see. After that, look for Fall Guys Client application or Fall Guys Client.exe. Once you locate it, you can go ahead and give it a right click and then go all the way down and select Properties. Next to that, you want to come across to the compatibility section above here and you're gonna find a box with run this program in compatibility mode next to it. So go ahead and tick that box and then make sure to keep this option selected on Windows 8. After that, you're gonna have to tick these boxes as well, the disable full screen optimization and run this program as an administrator. Once you do that, click onto the apply button in the bottom right corner to save the changes, and finally click onto OK. And now let's go ahead and check if this works. You can launch the game, but if it's still not working, let's try something else. Go ahead and click onto the search box underneath in the taskbar and then type in add or remove programs. When the search results appear, we can go up here and give it a click, and here you're gonna find yourself in the apps and features page. You see this search box in front of you, so give it a click and type in Epic Online Services. We're gonna reinstall the Epic Online Services, so first give it a click and then click onto the uninstall button that appears down here. Then you can go to where the Epic Online Services installer and install it again, and the problem should be fixed. So that's it, that's how to fix Fall Guys missing files on Epic Games. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.